So you remember like how to setting the path of the templates folder. First we have to create a base directory slash template. This is the path we have to mention. But this path should be mentioned inside the template list. Okay, so I will put this variable which is holding the path. This I will put this inside this templates list. Inside the template list there is a key called the directories. Here I will paste this control plus V. Okay, this is the first step. After registering this, we will set up the templates. Now here again at the same time we will also set up the path for the static file. So for that what we need to do, we will just create a simple variable static directories that will be very useful for readable purpose. That's why I am using the name static directory. Okay, so base directly then forward the path to the static folder like this. Understood? Now we'll use this variable where inside the list of the static path. So just for the static path that we have created, so we have to mention here static files directories. Okay, so static files directories. It is a list. Okay, so static files directories. Inside this, we have to use the variable static directories. While writing this, we will configure our static file as well as template file. Done with this much? Okay, fine. Now here we can create our templates folder and static folder. So click on this, create a folder for templates. Then now again click on this and create another folder for the static. The templates folder is already created. Now click on this again and create a folder called static. Done. So we have created static folder and templates folder. So inside this template folder, we will be creating one more folder. It is recommended. So it's better you do practice. My app. This is the application. So that it will be more readable that those HTML file you are going to create, you are creating for the my application. If there will be multiple application, what you will do? How you will find out? So inside this template folder, there will be like 10 templates file. So what you will do? Where you will search your templates. So it's better to mention your application name also. So inside this template folder, I have created one more folder which is named as same with my application. Understood? So again, inside this static folder, what do you do? Inside this static, we'll create a one more folder. One is for images. Okay, we want to keep our images separate. Okay, again inside this static folder, create one more folder for CSS. That will be holding the CSS files. Okay, so the name of this CSS file will be style.css. Okay, and in images we will be given so many images here. We will be giving. Now in the templates folder, go to the my application. How many templates you need here? Actually, we have created 3 or 4 templates like that for news separate, for politics separate, for movies separate, right? So here what I will suggest, here we will do by using one template. First we will create a basic template folder. Okay, basic, the home page. So let it be named as home.html. This is our home template. Here, page one. This is home page. This is home page. Okay, let's just render this template. How to do that? We have to create a view for this. We'll go to the view and create a view for this. Dev home view request, then we will return the function. What is the function? Render, which takes one mandatory argument request along with we will pass the name of our HTML file. What is that home.html? What it is present inside the my application folder. Inside the templates folder, inside the my application home.html page is present. Okay, done. What is the next step? We'll just register the URL. We'll create a URL path for this. So go to this URL.py which is present in the project level templates folder. Then import the views here from which app? From my app. From my app, import views. Okay, import is done. Then we'll mention the path here. Come to here. Okay, what is the function or what is the view we want to render with this path? We want to render the home view. Okay, let it be as the default path. Then now we'll just run the server and see. So Python Python manage.py run server. So it's coming. This is homepage. So we have to make it like this. Welcome to Delhi news portal. This is the homepage. We'll make this like welcome to Delhi news portal. So we'll do little modification here. Here the heading will be inside this body will create a done. We'll do some static. So how to use the static files here? If we want to add CSS, what do we need to do? You have to use the template tag that is known as load static. And we have to mention the static link here. Okay. So for that we have to use the link tag. Inside this link tag, we have to use the template tag. That is also known as static tag. So we have already load this static tag here on the top. Load static. Now we can use the static tag. So static, and here we have to write the CSS file name that is known as style.css. But this style.css is present in which folder? It is present inside the CSS folder. So we will just direct it to the path inside the CSS folder style.css. Okay. Then just we will go to the CSS. Inside the CSS we have style.css. Here we can write whatever you want. Okay. We'll just see. We'll create a different portal. Welcome to Daily News portal. It is not coming. So we'll close this also. CSS file नहीं आ रहा है.
So we need to change the name of style.css to another number name.
Okay. Why so?
Actually, sir, the previous in the previous project we have already mentioned now that the style.css is used.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's why it will overlap that. That's why this time style.css is not work. So if we provide the alternative
Oh,
name now, that it will work.
okay. But it should work. No, no, see. The spelling of the style situation. I have written the spelling like this. That's it. It should be Zishan. Okay. Because in table, I mentioned the correct spelling. Here it is mentioned like this. Okay. So that is the problem. Even so, not working. Because of that spelling mistake, it is not working. People, okay.
Yes, sir.
So container is the class. So dot class name. This file is not working good. This is also bowling color. Okay, so this is the child CSS. We will manage this. We will decorate according to the requirement. Now we'll give this image file. Okay, I'll just use all the images there. So time will be saved. Okay, so these are the images. We just need to use these images. So whatever the images you want to give, just keep it inside of the images folder. So here also I have created the images folder. Close this one. Okay, inside this news project, we also have static file and images folder. So I'll paste all the images here so that I can use this one. Okay, so inside this we have a news.jpg. JPEG, this is the image I am going to use it. Okay, inside the home.html. So how to use the image tag here. Inside this home, how to use the image tag. For that we also have to use the static tag. Okay, so static. But this static tag should be present inside the image. Then inside the source you have to use the static tag. Now, now what we need to do, we have to mention the path of the image where the image is present. So it is present where? It is present inside the static folder which is inbuilt. So inside this images, right? Inside the images only. Okay. And what is the name of the image? I want to give, that is this one, news.jpeg. Inside these images, give this image. Now it's coming. Okay, Tulsi. So movies information, then sports, then politics. It is coming like this. So what we need to do, we have to use a dish or we can use the break type. What is better to use another list? So it came movies information, sports information, political information. So we just need to configure it. So the border remaining designing whatever the thing you will do it by yourself. Now how we will create the view? So we'll go to application, inside this application we have views.py. Here we'll write our views. Now for each and every information, for movies, for sports and for news, we have to separate, we have to create separately. Okay, for example, def movies view and when the argument is request. Okay, and here also using return render. So it will take a mandatory argument that is known as request. Then you have to give the HTML name. Now see. So what you have done guys, you have created the different HTML for different view. But today we will use the same template. We will create a template that is known as news.html. Inside this only we will have all the news. So my app slash news.html. Okay. For time being now, we'll create this much only. So Alt Shift 1, 2. Sports and politics. Okay, movies, sports and politics. तो ये जो तीनों मैंने व्यू बनाया मूवीज का स्पोर्ट्स का पॉलिटिक्स ये तीनों देखो न्यूज के अंदर ही रेंडर हो रहे हैं न्यूज.html हमने क्रिएट किया नहीं क्रिएट किया ठीक है तो एक और एक html क्रिएट करते हैं न्यूज.html न्यूज.html like this inside this you will have all the news here so leave it the same load static inside this css we have style.css okay so inside this we will be getting the different portal for different news okay so first we'll see this it is rendering to here or not so we'll go to the urls first we'll just writing something here like this is news page okay then for checking purpose because we have created three views so we can create three urls okay so another one now one for each sports okay next is for movies okay another is for politics understood guys so movies sports and politics then and here you give the separate name for movies I will give the name as movies then sports then for politics I will giving politics okay so movies sports and politics done now we'll check it is rendering to the same page or not we'll go here we'll refresh it just refresh this and click on this movie information it is coming as hash in the bottom left corner it is coming as hash why because we have not given any url so we'll be giving these urls okay movies sports and politics where inside this home we'll give this path here so slash for movies information we have go to the movies for sports go to the sports and for politics go to the politics yes like this done now refresh it now we'll check see for movies it is going to the movies for sports it is going to the sport view for it is politics it is going to the views different views but it is coming the same output this is news space this is news space this is news space understood this much all of you इतने समझ में है सबको
Yes, sir.
तो देखो जब हम यहाँ से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं पहले यूआरएल में जाता है यूआरएल के बाद कहाँ पे जाता है मूवीज व्यूज में जाता है ना ये है मूवी जो है यहाँ पर यूआरएल पाथ का नाम है जो बॉटम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पर देख रहे हो यहाँ पर देखो स्पोर्ट्स पे आ रहा है स्पोर्ट्स यहाँ पर पॉलिटिक्स में आ रहा है पॉलिटिक्स तो डिफरेंट में पाथ में जा रहे हैं और डिफरेंट पाथ से डिफरेंट व्यू में जाएगा लेकिन अल्टीमेटली मैं सारे व्यूज में रेंडर किया हूँ कहाँ पर न्यूज पे मैं सारे व्यूज के अंदर मैंने रेंडर किया हूँ न्यूज.html पे आने के लिए स्पोर्ट्स देखो स्पोर्ट्स मूवीज स्पोर्ट्स एंड पॉलिटिक्स सबको न्यूज सिर्फ न्यूज चैनल पे ही मिलेगा ठीक है तो और यहाँ पर कुछ चेंजेस करते हैं अभी मूवीज के अंदर कुछ मुझे मैसेज लिखना है ठीक है अभी हम एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्रिएट करेंगे तो आपने कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्रिएट किया है नहीं आपने टेम्पलेट फाइल के अंदर जाकर दैट सारे स्टैटिक डेटा लिख दिए थे ठीक है ना तो यहाँ पर हम एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्रिएट करेंगे कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या होता है इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है एक डिक्शनरी का ऑब्जेक्ट है ठीक है तो पहले हम बहुत सारे कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्रिएट करेंगे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखेंगे जैसे मूवीज के लिए हम लिखेंगे मैसेज वन ओके मैसेज वन के लिए लेटर बी एच हेड मैसेज और मैसेज वन ही लिखते हैं बस दो मैसेज लिखते हैं बस मैसेज वन इट विल बी movies information we'll be using this for heading purpose okay this message one will be used as heading information like this we'll be creating two more अब यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे मैसेज वन we can use trigger information about the movies Pushpa 2 is going to release soon go movies with your girlfriend ये न्यूज होगी थोड़ी मूवी ticket prices will increase this year मैसेज वन मैसेज टू मैसेज थ्री डन इसके साथ और एक मैसेज लिखेंगे इसके अंदर लिखेंगे टाइप टाइप इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पर एक वैल्यू लिखेगा मूवीज ठीक है ये सारी चीजों को कैसे भेजेंगे अभी टेम्पलेट्स के अंदर न्यूज डॉट एचटीएमएल अगर मैं सबको भेजना चाहूंगा मैं तो कैसे भेजूंगा हाउ आई डू दैट एक कंटेंट क्रिएट करूंगा ना उसके लिए कंटेंट क्या होगा एक डिक्शनरी क्रिएट करूंगा मैं डिक्शनरी इसके अंदर लिखूंगा मैसेज वन क्या हो जाएगा मैसेज वन देन मैसेज टू देन इसको हो जाएगा मैसेज टू okay then another key will be message 3 and message 3 message 3 and here the value will be as message 3 like this done okay so we have created the dictionary now what we will do we will do the same thing for this sports and politics here okay अभी देखो कॉन्टेक्स्ट मैंने भेजा नहीं कॉन्टेक्स्ट कैसे भेजेगा माय डिक्शनरी दैट्स इट और क्या लिख सकते हैं कॉन्टेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टू माय डिक्शनरी so you need to write that because that is the default keyword argument of render function so we can directly pass the dictionary here also but writing this most big dictionary instead of this instead we'll just create this inside of outside of this one function and we'll give one variable name that variable name will be using same thing only right so copy this one put information is this screen visible to you
Yes, sir, visible.
ओके, तो अभी स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में दो तीन इन्फॉर्मेशन रख देते हैं, ठीक है। स्पोर्ट्स में और क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन था स्पोर्ट्स में? राणे, राणी का जर्सी नंबर क्या है? कौन सा मैच था वो? स्पोर्ट्स, ठीक है। मैसेज थे यहाँ पर, माय डिक्शनरी। अंडरस्टूड। तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर चेंज कर देंगे, यहाँ पर हो जाएगा पॉलिटिक्स इंफॉर्मेशन 19 नवंबर। क्यों 19 नवंबर को खेला था? हाँ 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 हाँ, 19 नवंबर को ये पॉलिटिक्स भी होते हैं। लिबनान, अलेपो, रसिया, अलेपो क्या स्पेलिंग है उसका? अलेपो। ओके, ये हो जाएगा पॉलिटिक्स। माय डिक्शनरी। Okay, so I will look here. So what we have done, we have created three views. One is movies views. In movies views, we have given three messages and one type. What is the type? The type is movies. Okay, and we send the my dictionary. What one thing is there? Inside this dictionary, we have to mention also the type. Type equals to type. Okay, type is type like this. Here we have filtered the sports view. We have given all three messages. Here inside this dictionary, and we also have to pass the type. Type. Next in the politics also we have to send the type as a key, which value will be politics. So for that we have to write the variable and type. ये तीनों भी मैंने क्या क्या क्रिएट किया, कैसे क्रिएट किया समझ रहे हैं? देखो, स्पोर्ट्स व्यू, पॉलिटिक्स व्यू में भी स्पोर्ट्स एंड पॉलिटिक्स व्यू। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, understood, sir.
यस, 18-19 दो तरीकों माना ना, 18 को भी मारा था 50, 19 को भी मारा था शायद। So understood how we created three views. Now what we will do? All three views are rendered into the one HTML file, that is news.html. Yes or no? So we have to render all the data here. This is news page. Instead of this, we'll just remove this one. What we will do? Here we'll write the message one. Message one. Okay. If we just write the message one, can you guess what will happen? We'll go here. Here, refresh this one. Now in this movies information, if I click this one, what I am getting? Movies information. Again, if I click on the sports information is coming.
Yes.
If I click on the political information I am getting. So this is what we want. Yes or no? Do we need to create multiple template? No. Okay, इसे ही हो जाएगा। So we have created. Next, along with this, we have to give some heading about the messages. Like what we will do? This will come to the movies information. Then in the left side, okay, let it be as list करके इसके अंदर लिखेंगे मैसेज टू के एंड मैसेज 3. Just refresh this one, click on this movie information. Movies information, postpaid is going to reduce them, ticket price will increase this year. Uh, for information, bookies from the first match against China, Lioness matches to quick fifties. And if you click on the political information, I'm also getting the political information. Isn't it? So I'm getting whatever the things I need. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Give your container. Then okay, let me check. Okay, it is coming this side. Okay, so these are the political information. And if you just go back and you click on the sports information is coming. And if you click on the political information is coming. Okay, so far we are getting what are the things in it. Now coming to the main thing here. What is the next step? The next step is to render the pictures. Okay, so what is the next step is to render the pictures. Now can you tell me how to render the picture? Images, how to render the images. Now I am asking, okay, here or not, you tell me. What to what happened? Image tag, then static tag, and here inside this images we have to give slash and we have to write the image which image you want to we want to render. You just write the name of that image. Understood this much? So click on this static file, click on this images, select whatever the images you want to give. Okay, P is for sports, P for politics. I guess this is for movies. Yes, these are for movies. Okay. So image 1, 2, 3 belongs to the movie information. Okay. So tell me how to do this one. What are the things I will write here? Just a moment, guys. image one dot jpeg. Again, we'll do one more. Okay, now see what. Just a second, guys. Okay, yes, am I audible?
Yes, audible, sir.
Okay, now what are the images we need to give here? Which page this one? Okay, let's suppose here political information. We go back. We'll click on the sports. I'm getting the sports information. What is the image is about? If I click on the movie, same image is coming. If I click on the sports, same image is coming. If I click on the politics, same image also coming. That is the problem. Understood? What is the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are getting the information, politics information, this heading, this all the things we are getting differently. But this image we are direct like rendering or we are writing the image inside the template folder, unlike the context. So what to do for this one? So what we will do for this one? So what we'll do, we'll use the if clause. Okay, so before that, just make it very small. Hmm. Come here. Now, so what are the things we will do here? It will be no use because here the images will be coming. Whatever the images will put here, it will come. So for that, what we need to do? We have to use the if clause. Okay. So how to do that? So for this, we'll come here and we'll use one if clause. So how to use this if clause? Percentage, simple. We will be writing if inside this. Okay, if. What is the condition? So for the condition, we have taken the type. I will remember this one. Go to this my application, go to the views. You can see in every view we have mentioned one type. See type movies, type sports, then type politics. Did you got this? We have mentioned different type of types. So object type use करने time. If type double equals to movies, if type double equals to movies, then print these images. Okay, then print these images. What are the images? All the images, all shift. To the image two, I guess. Let me check once. Image two, image one, image two, image three. Okay, image one, image two, image three, but the extension of the second and third image is JPG. Then now when you mention this if, okay, this is the Django template language, this is the template tag. If you have used the if, you have to use the end if to close this tag. To close this tag, you have to use end if because you don't have any colon. When we are writing the conditions, then after that you put the colon to end it. But here you don't have any colon kind of thing. So you have to whatever the things, whatever the template you have to open, you have to close this. So if and end if. Then so go back here, refresh this page. If type movies don't type movies. Type okay. So here it should be present inside the double curly braces. Message and message to message 3. Again we have type. So we have already inserted this curly braces. I will get this. Okay, here why we are not using this double curly braces another type is because we are already in this curly braces. The error was coming before this. Due to this one, it is considering this one is one word. Okay, so you have to separate this one like this. Now, if the type of movies, if the type is movies, then it will print the movies. तभी ये इमेज प्रिंट करेगा नहीं तो ये सारी चीजें प्रिंट कर देगा अंडरस्टूड आर यू गेटिंग इट ये देखो ये सारी चीजें जो तीनों इमेजेस है तभी रेंडर होंगे जब ये टाइप मूवीज होगा और टाइप मूवीज नहीं तो इमेजेस रेंडर नहीं होगा लेकिन उसके बाहर जो सारी चीजें वो सारे रेंडर होगा ठीक है ना तो देखो यहाँ पर वापस आओ यहाँ पर रिफ्रेश गो बैक see if I click on the sport information it is coming sports information but is there any image is coming no क्योंकि वो if क्लोज के अंदर हो गया if सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है अभी देखो मूवीज इंफॉर्मेशन में जाऊंगा तो देखो मूवीज आ गए ठीक है आई एम गेटिंग ऑल द मूवीज इमेजेस अंडरस्टूड तभी क्या करना है फिर पॉलिटिक्स स्पोर्ट्स के लिए मैं एलिफ यूज कर सकता हूँ ठीक है तो वी आल्सो एलिफ we can use and elif and else all of them elif type double equals to sports अगर टाइप क्या होता है स्पोर्ट्स होता है तो हमें कौन सा इमेज रेंडर करना है तो हमें देखो कौन सा इमेज रेंडर करना है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए S1 S2 S3 S1 S2 S3 okay so here just mention S1 S2 S3 and extension is already JPG done if elif this one is the condition so go back here refresh this So movie information, okay. Then post information, okay. All the images are coming and this message is also coming. Then next, we can write one more elif. And here it will be P1, P2, P3. So P1, P2 and P3. And the extension is JPG, JPEG and JPEG. JPEG and JPEG. Then understood? ओके इसको लास्ट में रहेंगे तो बाद में रुकते हैं तो देखो इसको मैं ऐसे एक बार so Koyak here if you click on this movies images and movies information if you click on the political information politics why it's not coming sports okay sports is working politics why the images are not coming
Sir, try to go to sports. Recover.
ah yes oh Mr. Then this one now if we just refresh this and we have this politics related all the politics information as well ah ah so understood how no? So by this only in a single template we are reducing so much code. We don't need to even create three more templates. In a single template we can do this. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So this is the if. Okay, this is how we will use the if. You just provide one key. Okay, let's suppose we can use also else. Okay, tomorrow we will use else. I will show you how to use the else. Else we will use so many times else. Don't worry that. So if else, you can write your else also. If these three are not there, then it will print you the message. And okay, I will show you the else part also. I will show you the else also. Just simple. Just use the else here. Okay, after the else, whatever the things you just need to write, just write. Let's suppose I want to provide a message. Mm, sorry, images are not available. Okay, you can do this or you go ahead. What you can do, you can provide one anchor tag, insert this alternative, this attribute, you can write the message that you can provide. Alternate. You know this, right? ये आपको पता है ना alternate में लिखना है जो मैसेज अगर इमेजेस नहीं आएगा तो ये मैसेज प्रिंट करेगा ये वाला है ना ये आपको पता है ना हाँ ये आपको पता ही होगा तो देखो ये स्टाइल इसने लिख दिया तो अगर ये तीनों इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ तो मैं देखो और एक anchor tag बनाता हूँ होम डॉट एचटीएमएल में लेकिन इसको रेंडर करने के लिए फिर से और एक फंक्शन बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा ठीक है ऑल्ट शिफ्ट दिस वन पॉलिटिक्स और किसका इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए होता मूवीज, स्पोर्ट्स, पॉलिटिक्स और किसका इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए?
Business, sir, business news.
ओके, बिजनेस मतलब पॉलिटिक्स के बाप लोगों का, ठीक है। तो बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन, ये हो गया बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन, है ना। तो बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए फिर से एक लीव क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा। सो सिंपली गो टू द व्यूज, we will not write anything here, we'll just simply create one view, div business view, give one argument as request. But we have to create all the messages because we are entering there. Okay. No, we will just copy and paste. बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन, क्या बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन पता? मुझे तो पता नहीं बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है, बता। आज से बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है?
Sir, Adani stocks rises.
Again, nice.
Yes, sir.
Financial prices और बता।
Aditya Birla companies going to lose their stocks. That's it, sir.
Okay. Talk about the thriller. Hmm. Hmm. US millionaire Brian Johnson says his throat eyes bought due to Mumbai pollution. I will rather said come to Delhi. Hmm.
Nice, sir.
Okay. Birla stock. Hmm.
Q Spider is going to close their branch.
ये तो latest नहीं है।
Yes, sir. It's the latest news, sir.
Business. Okay. Now go to this home latest email. Okay. Everything is fine. We just need to set up the URL. And when we do that, URLs, my application, go to the nearest project here. It is inside this, go to the URLs and set up one URL for this, and this one will be business view. This will be business. Okay, business. Now go to the home.html. This last business event. Let's check it out. We'll go back here. Purchase information. It is not added. Okay, it is added now. Business. Click on the business. See, already stock prices, builder stock goes down. Sorry, images are not available. It's printing the else that misses a little bit. So you can also use this. Else sorry, images are not available. You can also use this alternate message also. But when the type will be business, when the type will be business, it will print the else part here. Okay, if this all these three condition becomes false, that means the last condition that will becomes this. It will print this one. Sorry, images are not available. Understood this one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can do this program. Where this project based upon this template static file you tag.
What, sir?
ओके, नज़्म समझ में आया कैसे करना है? लक्ष्य समझ में आया? लक्ष्य ठीक है, फिर तो आपको ये करना है, कल ये आप करके लाने में चेक करूंगा। अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू?
मतलब सर वो थोड़ा सा आपका वॉइस लैग हो रहा है।
ओके, ओके ना, सो दिस द असाइनमेंट, आपको इसे एक टेम्पलेट के फाइल में करना है, ये क्लोज यूज करके.
Okay, sir.
Do it like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.